Welcome to Kadambrayar Eco Tourism Village. The Kadambrayar Eco Tourism Village is the scenic village within Ernakulam district, is the ideal getaway for those seeking an escape into the natural beauty of Kerala. An integral part of an ecotourism village, this spot offers the ideal blend of serenity, adventure, and the exquisite beauty of the Kerala landscapes. A panorama of rolling fields, emerald backwaters, and swaying coconut trees await you here, offering the vibes and pulse of a tropical paradise. Located near the famous Wonderla amusement park, the Kadambrayar Eco Tourism is a spot where nature meets rejuvenation. An ideal spot for picnics and quality time with loved ones, the center's focus on ecotourism ensures that visitors enjoy the timeless beauty of Kerala in a manner that's environmentally conscious and promotes sustainability. This attraction is very close to Info Park and situated at Manakadav in the Kijakkamabalam Panchayat of Ernakulam district on the way to Wonderla, just 6 kilometers away from Kakanad. Right now, there is no entry restrictions and no specific entry timings or entry fees at Kadambrayar Eco Tourism. The village span around 1.5 kilometer long walkway and 2 hanging bridges in between are the highlights here, which makes this a perfect place for morning-evening walk. There are 2 entrances for this Kadambrayar Eco Tourism project. One from Kakanad Wonderla Road at Manakadavu stop, second one at Kakanad Pajanganad Road, the walkway and hanging bridges connecting these 2 entrances. The Kadambrayar Eco Tourism project, inaugurated in 2009, was envisioned as a vibrant destination, featuring ample seating areas, restaurants, and exciting water activities such as boating and pedal boating. However, over time, the site has faced significant decline due to insufficient maintenance and lack of consistent support from the relevant authorities, resulting in a dramatic loss of its initial charm and potential. These footages are recorded 6 months before and therefore subjected to change the information or amenities shown.